Hello guys, how to fix KB5041582 update failed to install in Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first and initial workaround is right click on start button and choose run option. Run dialog box will open. Here type services.msc to open services windows in Windows 10. Open services windows and here restart Windows Update related services such as background intelligent transfer services, cryptographic services, Windows installer and Windows Update. First, background intelligent transfer service, right click on it and choose restart. Click on restart and after that apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as set as automatic and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. The next services you should restart is cryptographic services. Look for cryptographic services, right click on it and choose restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. By similar method, look for Windows installer services. Windows installer services. Same, right click on it and if you found it in a stop mode, then first start it and thereafter restart it. You can't change a startup type, so close the window. And the last one is Windows Update services. Right click on it and choose start. And if you found already in a start mode, then restart it. And same, set a startup types as automatic. And press apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is again right click on start button and choose settings. On the left side, go to system settings, choose system settings and thereafter go to right side and here look for option troubleshoot. Click on it, choose other troubleshooters and here run the Windows Update troubleshoot. Click on run and let the window complete the updating process. It will take some time. It will not only detect the problems but try to fix them accordingly. This is an inbuilt tool of any Windows system and you must apply first troubleshoot to fix any type of Windows related issues and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and in command prompt Windows first execute these three DISM tool as shown on screen: DISM online scanhealth, DISM online checkhealth and DISM online restorehealth. It will scan your system, check your system health and restore system health if any problem found. Execute one by one followed by enter key on each time and once completed, execute the command SFC scan now. Minimize the window and on the same Windows SFC scan now. Press enter and it will check your system having corrupted files or not. If any corrupted files found, it will repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% completion of verification of files. Thereafter restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again launch command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode and run execute some Windows Update components as shown on the screen. First start these services, stop these services, execute one by one, stop these 4 services Simply copy it and paste it in command prompt windows and press enter on each time. And once successfully stop these commands, execute these two commands. All this command path will also available in my description of Windows videos. You may copy from there and simply one by one copy and paste it in command prompt windows and press enter on each time. Thereafter, start all those four services you have earlier stopped them. Now start them. And once one by one execute all these four commands once again. And after that, don't forget to restart your system. Once none of the method works out, then manually install Windows Update. Go to Chrome browser and here look for Microsoft Update Catalog. Look for Microsoft Update Catalog. Type Microsoft Update Catalog in search field of your browser and open Microsoft Update Catalog and click on first appeared result Microsoft Update Catalog, and here in search field type your KB update which you want to install and look search and press download and install it in your system.